Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing book video. So this is a book I actually had on pre-order for quite a long time by one of my favourite artists, Frank Cho. And this is Ballpoint Beauties. And as you can probably guess, Frank Cho does a lot of pin-ups, so this book is mainly a pin-up art book, focusing especially on using ballpoints and biro type pens. So as you can imagine, there is a lot of nudity in this book. Probably is allowed on YouTube as long as there's a warning. But just to be on the safe side, I have covered any boobs and anything like that with some stickers that I had made a while back. So I'm going to be using my Lord of the Rings Family Guy stickers that I made to help me out in this one. So as already mentioned, this is mainly just pin-up sketches of Frank Cho's work. But you will notice on camera one of the pages is actually more of a techniques page, so it shows you a little bit of maybe more of a tutorial and showing his process. And this is actually one of the main reasons why I bought the book. I do love his work, but I was really interested in seeing how he actually creates it. And I'm not going to show every page on camera, but I am going to show what I can. And my lighting isn't perfect, so some of the artwork does look a little bit too bright on camera. But you have to remember some of these are sketches, so they are only quite faint. And you'll notice a lot of the ones I'm showing, he has about 4 pages for each design, or for each drawing I should say. And the initial sketch, starting to block it in a little bit, adding some of the pen, the biro pen, and then the finished image. And you can see once the pen ink is on it, it does stand off the page a lot more. So it's just the sketches that are a bit more subtle. I am going to put a little link on the screen now to my videos of me creating these stickers for anyone who wants to see that. A little bit off topic. So, I think I paid about £18 for this book, which is actually not bad at all. And he created this through a Kickstarter campaign. So if you got on board with that from the beginning, you got some exclusive rewards as well, such as some little postcards with some of his artwork on and things like that. It's actually pretty cool, but unfortunately I just missed it. So I didn't get any of those. And I've seen a few other videos where people are trying to review these books a little bit and show you a preview, and they pretty much just say in the video that they can't show any of the artwork because obviously there's a lot of nudity. So the reason there's a lot of fade-ins and fade-outs and cuts in this video is because I obviously had to skip to the next page and put the stickers in place to cover any nipples or anything like that. So I apologise, it's not the smoothest flick through of a book, but I do try to include what I can. And I also have another video that I created a while back where I talk a little bit about Frank Cho. I mention him inspiring me to create that video actually, which is where I use a ballpoint pen to try and draw a face. And it actually turned out really good. So again, I'll put a link up for that and in the description box below. And I'll add links to where you can get the book and things like that. But hopefully if you have been interested in this book, this gives you some idea of what's included. I was really looking forward to getting this, but as I already mentioned, the main reason I wanted it was because I wanted to learn his techniques of using the ballpoint pen. And there is a page or two explaining it, and then there is also, you might have noticed, an interview through the book. There's a couple of pages on that. I haven't read through these properly yet because recording this on camera was the first time I have looked through this book. So it does look like there will be some useful information. However, it's definitely not a tutorial book. I would still say it's more of an art of Frank Cho book, which is probably to be expected. But Frank Cho is an amazing artist and all the work in here is really good, assuming that you like pin-ups. Obviously, if you don't like pin-ups, this book is not going to be for you. But it looks like a fantastic book, and it could be quite a good book to learn from his drawings themselves if you are wanting to draw pin-ups with ballpoint pens. I think the book was about 80 pages, so it's got a bit of content, but it's not massive by any count. These last few pages I actually managed to show on camera without putting any stickers on screen because the nudity was covered, let's say. And last of all, a lady's bum in your face. So that's the end of the book. Let me flip that back over and stick my stickers in screen there. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful if you are considering getting this book. Let me know if there's any other books you guys are reading at the moment or want to see on camera. As always, if you did enjoy the video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment below, and make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, everyone.